Spanish lemon granita, the classic Granizado de Limón from Spain. Prep time is about 3 hours 30 minutes, and it serves 4. Let's make it icy, bright, and refreshing. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 2 cups water for the base syrup. 3/4 cup granulated sugar to sweeten and balance the acidity. 1 tablespoon finely grated lemon zest for intense aroma. 1 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice for bold, bright flavor. A pinch of fine sea salt to sharpen the flavors. 6 fresh mint leaves for garnish at the end. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Finely zest the lemons until you have 1 tablespoon of zest. In a small saucepan, add 2 cups of water, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon zest, and a pinch of fine sea salt. Heat over medium and stir until the sugar dissolves, about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not let it boil. Take the pan off the heat and let the syrup cool for 10 minutes. Juice the lemons until you reach 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, then strain out any seeds. Stir 1 cup of lemon juice into the warm syrup until it's evenly combined. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a shallow metal pan to remove the zest and let it rest at room temperature for 10 minutes. Set the shallow pan flat in the freezer for 30 minutes. Scrape the partially frozen mixture with a fork, pulling the icy edges into the center until small flakes form. Return the pan to the freezer for another 30 minutes. Scrape again with the fork to build more crystals, breaking up any large chunks. Freeze for another 30 minutes. Scrape a final time until the granita is light and flaky. If it still looks wet, freeze 30 minutes more and scrape again. While the texture firms up, chill 4 serving glasses in the freezer for 10 minutes. Spoon the granita into the cold glasses and top with 6 mint leaves, about 1 to 2 per glass. Serve right away. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this Spanish lemon granita, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more refreshing recipes.